James, it is blowing a gale today, but we've come out anyway because we're like that on the Essential RC YouTube channel. We will fly in any weather.
Extreme.
Extreme.
It's Christmas Eve.
So we're out for a bit of fun. What have you brought with you?
Got the A-10 down. So
no way. A-10.
Yeah. It is the Freewing A-10 from Motion RC. We wanted to bring the L37 airliner down, which is stonkingly brilliant. Just been playing with that the last week. Not flown it yet, ready to go for a maiden, but I don't want to try it in these conditions. So
no, it's a bit gusty.
We're here with the A-10, see if it cuts through. A little bit nervous because it is blustery as hell, but let's see.
All right,
see how it goes.
Let's give it the beans and get it in the air.
Give it the beans. You'll notice on that takeoff run, snaking. That was mostly get speed up by the end of the patch.
Problem is when it's so windy, there's a danger it can leap into the air by itself. Turn for a downwind pass and left. Nice. One more pass and I'm actually going to land. Going to talk me through this one. Yeah, so you got flaps in, yeah.
Flaps in.
Right.
Just gonna
cut power. Cut the power.
Just going to make sure the gear's down.
They are. I can see from here. You've 3 green.
Right.
So you're gonna have to go around again now.
For sure.
Turn there. Do a circle.
Okay,
Keep going. Turn. You're quite high. Cut power.
All the way?
No, you're good there. Let it come down. Oh, flare. Cut power. There you go. Better. There you go, that was all right.
Cheers, mate. Yeah, I think I still need some practice on those landings.
Yeah, you kind of slammed it a little bit. You just need to flare a little bit better, I would say.
My excuse is there's quite a hill here, and this is the first time I've flown here, right?
So yeah, this is the Basingstoke Club. It does slope from left to right, I'll give you that. So the ground does kind of rush up at you.
Yeah, brilliant size of patch though, it's brilliant.
It is an awesome patch. It's a little bit of a distance, but it's worth the trip. Anyway, that was the Freewing A-10.
I'll tell you what, it's the first time I've flown that, and it's lovely.
Well, I've got one as well, so next time out we're going to do a formation flight.
Definitely looking forward to that, hopefully when it's a bit less windy and a bit warmer.
Jeez, yeah, a bit warmer, definitely. Right, till next time, thanks for watching. See you soon.
Happy Christmas, folks.
Happy Christmas.